How to fix the rear camera unknown parts pop-up message. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. After changing the rear camera, it has pop-up message unknown parts. Let's fix it. Connect the i6s programmer and the phone to computer. Open the I2C platform. First time use, need click driver installation to install the CH340 USB driver. The i6s programmer enter the camera function. Click connect to enter the camera repair page. The statue is unbound factory. Take out the camera. Connect it with the I2C rear camera solderless repair flex cable. Install the camera on the board on i6s programmer according to the model. Connect the phone to computer. Click detection to read the information. The write count has 5 times. Click cloud burn to write the data. After write succeed, click detection again to check the information. The serial number should be same. Take out the camera. Stick the black insulating tape to the connection between the camera and I2C flex cable. Turn off the phone now. Install the camera to the phone. The flex cable folding method. Please refer to the flex cable folding video. Power on the phone to test the camera photo function. Check the pop-up unknown parts message is gone. It means the rear camera has been fixed. This is the flex cable install position.